Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Rick back again. Today, we are dropping the ultimate iPhone 12 charging test. As you know, Apple has decided to drop the charging brick from the iPhones to save paper. The kind of paper they're saving is up in the air for you to decide. Let me know what your thoughts are on that topic down below. I'd love to hear them. We have the 5 watt, 12 watt, 20 watt, and 30 watt charging bricks, and we'll also compare it to the new Apple Mag charger. These are all Apple recommended chargers on the website for your phone. All cords used are official Apple cords. These videos do take a long time to produce. It would be super awesome if you can drop a like to help me beat that YouTube algorithm and subscribe for future tech trends. Let's watch the fight and tally up the scores. As for the wired options, the 5 watt still lags quite a bit behind the other 3 options. Last year we did test the 18 watt option and was a bit behind the 30 watt option, letting us know that the ceiling was a little bit higher, but this year the 20 watt closes that gap. If you have the 5 watt option, I'll highly recommend upgrading to the new 20 watt charger. The 12 watt option is acceptable if you have it on hand. As for the Mag charger versus just the 20 watt wired option alone, I'm not completely sold. The way I see it, you still need to pick up the charger in the phone and remove the puck versus unplugging the cable. It seems at this point, it's paid triple for half the charging speed. Let me know what your thoughts are on this in the comments below. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for future tech trends. Thanks for watching guys, much love, and stay strong. Take care for now.